Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a cross-handed catapult double hip stop. Now it's going to be really useful if you already know how to do a cross-handed catapult hip stop. Link in the description below. If you know that already, then you're ready to do this one. So it goes 7 and 8 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I should give you a warning with this one, because if you have a lady who does unexpected things with her arms, the guy's going to be in quite close and you have a real serious potential for the lady to clout you on. So if you're dancing with a lady whose arms are often down or very out, then you're going to be in severe danger of this not working very well. Whereas if you've got a lady whose arms, once they're up, they tend to stay up, then you're going to be in a position where this move is going to work really quite easily. And you are in a position where if it does look like it's going wrong and you feel like you can't get in, you can just let the lady go round and catch her as normal and not do the second hip stop. So let's see if we can put it together. Starts exactly the same as the cross-handed catapult hip stop. So we go back, we go sweep, we go block. Everything normal up until now. Now what happens is this time we start off exactly as we would have done before, but once we get the lady moving, we're going to let go with that right hand. We're going to send the lady off into what is effectively a spin. As she's going round, we're going to be ready with the right hand, so at the point she's got her back to us, we're going to pop our hand in behind the hip. We're going to let the lady carry on into that block, and we're going to try and stay wide from the lady as much as possible so that we don't get hit. And then all we do, instead of having a Wurlitzer spin at the end, we use the second hip stop to lead a return spin and catch. So let's think numbers. We go back to two hands. 1, sweep, 2, block, 3, spin, 4, block, 5, spin, 6 and catch, 7. Let's see if we can do it. Here we go. 5, 6, cross-handed catapult double hip stop. We go back, sweep, block, spin, block, spin and catch, and that's it. Easy as. Okay, hope you've enjoyed that. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive clip. Like, subscribe and hit the bell, that way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end in the little windows that come up in the last few seconds of the video is something nice to practice to, and as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.